Thoh Shun Art Camp 2023, organized by the Riti Academy of Visual Arts Shillong and Shantiniketan Kala Bhavan Praktane, in collaboration with the Indian Council of Social Science Research, Northeast India Regional Centre Nehu, witnessed the participation of artists from across India and Bangladesh. Sponsored by the Department of Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya, the art camp aims to showcase the works of local artists. The exhibition, running until December 26, 2023, at the ICSSR Centre in the Northeastern Hill University, Shillong, was inaugurated on the 18th of December in honour of Meghalaya's Poet Laureate Usosotham's 83rd death anniversary. The event was graced by Commissioner and Secretary of the Arts and Culture Department, Frederick Roy Kharkongor, as the chief guest, along with the presence of the Chief Creative Director of Riti Academy of Visual Arts Shillong, Rafal Wardri, and the President of Shantiniketan Kala Bhavan Praktane, Dr. Janak Jankar Narzari, among other dignitaries, artists, and invitees.
Yeah, this art camp is being organized by Riti Academy in collaboration with the Shantiniketan Kalabhavan Praktoni and with the support of ICSSR and the Art Culture Department. So, Dr. Janak Jankar Nazari has been, an old acquaintance with Riti Academy. He has participated in the earlier workshop also. So it was his initiative that he has proposed to Riti Academy that we hold this, this art camp in Shillong, and he has, arranged to bring at this time about 12 artists from Shantiniketan, and they come from different parts of, of the region. From mainland India, including one artist from Bangladesh. So we are delightful to have a kind of an interaction and deliberation along with them. They will, some of them also will try to, showcase their work through slideshows and lecture and talk show. So that way, it will be a very interesting, kind of discourse that we will be having. It will be beneficial for the local fraternity of art, and more importantly, towards the end of this exhibition, towards the end of this camp, we will be holding an exhibition from 25th to 27. There are a few more things that I wanted to announce on this particular art camp. One is that on the 24th, we will be having an award ceremony in memory of Mr. S. Koshin Sumer, who is a very renowned literary figure in the state. And we have invited Mr. Dr. Jankar Narzari to be a chief guest to confer this award. Besides that, we have also contacted the family members of Mr. Pritpal Singh Ladi and appraised upon them that we will be institute an award in his name. So these are a few things that we are trying to organize and showcase through our activities here in Shillong, and let the whole of the region in the northeast and the whole of the country also should know about what we are doing here. This is all that I can share with you at this moment. Thank you.
As we understand that that this will be an annual affair from now on, the association between the Riti Academy and Shanti.
Yeah, actually, this proposal has come about through Shantiniketan Kala Bhavan Praktuni, and they have proposed to us that we should sign an MOU. And yesterday we have signed an MOU with them, and we will this is the first phase that we are doing. Now we have in Shillong, then maybe next year they will invite artists from Riti Academy to go and participate in Shantiniketan or elsewhere in the country that they will be organizing. So from there on, they will, that's what we have agreed upon. There are certain conditions that we agreed upon that we will, both of us, we will facilitate for their coming and participation in the region, and they will facilitate to invite us and take care of our participation elsewhere in the country. So this is the primary understanding that we had, and hopefully in the near future we'll try to make it a regular affair on this aspect here.
12 artists from Shantiniketan, Kolkata, and even beyond the West Bengal, from the Bangladesh and some other places also come. 12 artists come here in Shantiniketan. We are the members of the Shantiniketan Kala Bhavan Praktone. Means Shantiniketan Kala Bhavan is a fine arts faculty, and we have an alumni association is known as Shantiniketan Kala Bhavan Praktone. Well, we have agreed for a mutual understanding with Riti Academy of Visual Art, where Rafael Urdi is the chief director. And I had communicated with him to have one exchange program that our artists, a group of artists will come here, work with the artists of the Riti Academy artists. So we arrived on 17, and we yesterday 18 we had the inauguration program in this ICSSR auditorium hall. We signed the Riti Academy and Shantiniketan Praktone signed the final deed of the mutual agreement and made it public announced. And this is very important that we have some terms and conditions within the MOU that every year this will be organized. The first workshop was organized by Riti Academy, and next year the artists from Riti Academy will go to the Shantiniketan or Calcutta when they work with our artists together. And this is mainly for exposure, interaction and exposure of the artists of different places. Say, these Shillong artists will go there and they will be exposed to the institutions and different artists. They have an opportunity to meet the good artists, eminent artists, and these important things. That way they can develop their knowledge, their ideas, their painting, their spirit. They may be inspired. And we are also coming here to get some inspiration from Shillong. We discuss with artists and people and do the painting together, and that way it's important interactions, discourses. Through that we become more close and cordial and understandable. This is important, and at the same time we expect our activities, art activities of the camp will be benefited to the people of the local people of the like here in the university campus. We are having this exhibition, but university students can come and see, interact. That is, they will know how now artworks are be done by the artists. That will be their experience. That we want that people understand us. So it would be better because it's generally better to organize in the open air, the public a little accessible for the public people. Public people will come see visitors. I mean, the visitors will come